Good morning, friends. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Whoever is watching this video, I had already made yesterday's question paper. Please have a look into playlist. And let me tell you, whatever the questions they are asking, they are all like static GK, and only 2 to 3 questions are asking like current affairs. And whatever the static GK related to all, whatever the questions have come, they are very easy questions. You don't underestimate those questions, and everything is there in this book. This is as you know about my books, you can see just my background. Have a look into playlist, and whatever just we have discussed recently, all those pages, general science and general knowledge, they're all easy static GK questions. So please go through. Little standard has increased, the technical questions have come into GD. So let us see what questions have been given. Sambar Salt Lake. You know about India's largest inland saltwater lake, which is located in, there is a town as Sambar Lake Town in the Rajasthan. You know about this, very important. Now we have the FIFA World Cup, Federation of International Football Association. You may be asked abbreviation, be careful with that. Who had won 2022? That is France is runner-up, but the winner is Argentina. So very important, they asked runner-up, not the winner. So winner is Argentina, Lionel Messi, you know about him. And France, Mbappe, he is one of the best player. Now Jharkhand governor, they had asked, CP Radhakrishnan is the governor of Jharkhand. We should know about the 2023 T20 Female World Cup won by Australia. Now we have runner-up is South Africa. Present CDS Chief of Defence Staff, that is Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan is the guy. And you should know about the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. The headquarters is located in Bengaluru. And you know about the ISRO, which is formed in the year 1969. Very important, guys. Lothal, you know about this. It's a site which is there in Gujarat. So that is Bhogava River. You can see that. So there is a river on that. This site is located. Lothal, it's a, you can see during the time of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, that time we can see this repair things over there. You know about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So other name is Desh Nayak, also be called as Subhash Chandra Bose, other name. You should remember about the unit of work. That is joule, guys. Very important. So there was a unit for the work. They are measured in joules. Sound is measured in decibels. So all these questions you can see static. It's general science is static. You should read little advance. Everything is there in this book. At least if you are not gaining in general knowledge, general science is the place where you can make more score. So better take that pictorial book. Even when I can make that book, I can easily make it a children book also. This is very important to know everything. We have various books like SSC, GD examinations, Army technical books, Navy tradesman mate examinations, Army clerk examination, Coast Guard general duty and domestic branch, especially SSC, MTS, CHSL and GD examinations. All those question papers, general knowledge and general science questions are repeating from this to this exam. That's it. So if you know about them, you will get everything in this. So now we have something. Sound is measured in decibels, guys. Galvanometer is to measure the flow of electricity. Now we have the pH value of milk. They had asked, that is 6.7 to 6.9, guys. Should know about the blood also. That is 7.4 is the pH value. Normally milk has the lactobacillus bacterium that converts from milk to curd in a process of pasteurization process. And this pasteurization process invented by whom? I want you guys to comment me in the section. Now we have calcium carbonate chemical formula CaCO3. Typhoid is, everybody is aware, it's a bacterium, that is Salmonella typhi bacterium. If malaria it is, that is a protozoa, that is Plasmodium mosquito. We have earth attracts due to the reason there is a force between the earth. You can see acceleration due to gravity is the main reason why it attracts, because everything has got, there is some weight. So because of that, it gets attracted. Should know about zygote, fertilized egg cell that results from the union of female gamete. So you can see for female we have egg and ovum, for the male we have the gamete is sperm. So overall zygote fertilized egg cell that results from the union. So after this mixing of sperm and ovum, obviously what is produced? Zygote is produced. So you know about law of reflection. So when light is reflected from a surface, the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. So incident and reflection ray, there is a normal. If it is 45, obviously it is also 45. The ray falls and that moves. So the angle is like 45 degrees here and 45 degrees here. So overall, the same, you can see angle of incident angle I is equal to angle R. We have the TV remote which has got the rays, that is infrared rays, guys, and there is a microwave rays in microwave oven. You can see that the smallest cell is mycoplasma galliseptium. Now we should remember about the biggest cell. You should know about the biggest one we'll find in ostrich egg, and we have this cell size is like 0.2 to 0.3 micro like meter, very less actually. Basic colors we should know about blue, green, red. In ant sting we have formic acid, as I already told. In scorpion we have methanoic acid. You know about the fibrinogen, which is very important. It is made in your liver and helps in, you should know about all these things, your blood clot. So if you want your blood to get clot, you should have a adequate fibrinogen. Now we have something raw mango, that is tartaric acid, guys. So very important. Now we should remember about each fruit starts with a flower, then 4 separate events will take place in sequence. Example: pollination, fertilization, growth and development, and finally ripening. So this process will take place in this. Should know about the magnetic force. It is vector quantity, guys, which has got the magnitude as well as direction. Now magnesium oxide is also known as magnesia, guys, and sperms are produced in male, that is testis, where the sperms are produced. Now we have the pH value of gastric acid. You know about in humans 1.5 to 2, we have that range. So pH value of stomach acid is this one, and we have this HCl, that is 0, guys. Sir Frederick Banting, a physician and scientist, is the co-discoverer of insulin. Should know about the insulin, which keep your sugar level maintained. It is produced by the pancreas. Capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti, and there is a word called bouncer. In cricket it is used. Hirakund Dam is located on the river Mahanadi. Should know about the mycoplasma, smallest living organism on the earth, biggest is ostrich. Member of Parliament abbreviation had asked. During 1920, there is a non-cooperation movement. There was a viceroy. His name was Lord Chelmsford. Should remember there is an exercise between India and Malaysia, that is Harimau exercise was happened. Jallikattu, you know about that. It is famous in Tamil Nadu. You have to control the ox. There is one Kambala race which is in Karnataka, guys. The Supreme Commander of Armed Forces is President. In Buddha religion, all vihars they are all mutts, guys. Very important, where they can take rest. So mathas we can tell. So these are the few questions I had compiled. Go for next, have a look into playlist where I used to upload everything. So better don't underestimate these books. You just have a look. If you want, you can message me on this number. I'll send you previous original papers, how exactly they were asked and now how exactly they are asking. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.